It is Tuesday, August 11th, and this is Missoula College. We're looking at shoring for the level 1 slab, and it's early 7:30 in the morning on August 11th. There was a windstorm last night at about 6:30, 7 o'clock on Monday, August 10, and I heard on the radio that there was 74-mile-an-hour wind, and what it did is it lifted some of the shoring here at Missoula College. And what the shoring is we have these blue aluminum panels that are supported by aluminum beams and aluminum joists, and they bear on aluminum or steel posts. Anyway, I looked through the entire section that they had done, which was mostly on the east side, and I don't really see a lot of damage. There's sort of a twisted brace right there, and there's sort of a like a buckled little diagonal brace right here where that green paint is, barely buckled. I don't even think it's buckled. It's probably what happened was one of these blue panels got lifted off of the system, fell through the hole and hit that brace. But you know, all I'm seeing is that panels, maybe a couple of joists got lifted up by the wind, and because they just bear on the pieces, bear on each other with little ledger pieces, they're not mechanically fastened, just lifted them off and set them back down again. And I don't see much damage. Maybe we replace this this buckled diagonal piece right here on the south side. Maybe we don't reuse this twisted LVL brace, but everything else really does look fine. And now I'm standing at the northeast corner of the building, and I'm looking at the area where they stack and store shoring for the level 1 slab. There's not any damage over there. And this is a look at the shoring. Get to a clear spot here between rebar. There it is. You can see that there is panels that were lifted out of place by the wind and basically just set down adjacent to where they were lifted out. And again, it's, gosh, I mean, these are aluminum panels, and it's hard pressed to find any damage in this system. I think it's fine, and yeah, there might be some that are twisted or not flat level anymore, and but you know, obviously that will be determined as they're reinstalling the formwork. So it's really, the damage here is really very minimal. And that's the end of my inspection video, August 11th.